Hello and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle, the channel dedicated to promoting a balanced and nutritious lifestyle. Here, we believe in the power of food as a catalyst for better health and vitality. It's not just about the food, it's about the fusion of taste, nutrition, and the joy of cooking, all wrapped into one. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delights with a healthy chicken dish, served with pasta and a tantalizing tahini marinated salad. This dish not only pleases the palate but also aligns perfectly with our mission to maintain a healthy diet. It's a flavorful adventure that marries lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats into a meal that's as nourishing as it is delicious. This is more than a recipe. It's a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. So, prepare your cooking utensils, and let's embark on this culinary journey full of health benefits. The first step to a successful dish is knowing your ingredients. Today, we're working with a trinity of nutritional powerhouses. First up, we have our lean chicken. Now, chicken, particularly the breast portion, is a fantastic source of protein. It's lean, meaning it's low in fat, and it's versatile, adapting well to a multitude of flavors. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and chicken is a fantastic way to get this nutrient in a tasty, satisfying way. Next, we have pasta. But this isn't any old pasta. We're using whole grain pasta, a complex carbohydrate. Unlike their simple counterparts, complex carbohydrates break down slowly in your body, providing you with a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Plus, whole grain pasta is rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Finally, there's tahini. This creamy paste, made from toasted ground-hulled sesame seeds, is often overlooked, but it's a nutritional gem. Tahini is packed with healthy fats, which are essential for your heart health and for absorbing certain vitamins. It's also a good source of plant-based protein and contains an array of minerals like magnesium and zinc. Of course, we have our supporting cast of ingredients too. Fresh vegetables for the salad, providing a rainbow of vitamins and minerals. A variety of herbs and spices, which not only add flavor but have health benefits of their own. For instance, garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties, while chili peppers can kick up your metabolism a notch. So there you have it, a breakdown of our ingredients, each one bringing its own nutritional benefits to the table. We've got lean protein from chicken, slow-releasing energy from complex carbohydrates in the pasta, and heart-healthy fats from tahini. A dish that is not just delicious, but also balanced and nutritious. Now that we understand our ingredients, it's time to get cooking. Scene script. First off, we're going to start with our star ingredient, the chicken. Choosing the right chicken is crucial. Opt for organic, free-range chicken whenever possible. Not only does it taste better, but it's also healthier and more humane. Once you've got your chicken, it's time for preparation. Pat the chicken dry with some kitchen paper. This will help us achieve that perfect golden brown sear. Next, we're going to season our chicken. For this, we'll be using a simple blend of sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Remember, less is more when it comes to seasoning. We want the natural flavors of the chicken to shine through. Rub the seasonings all over the chicken, ensuring that every bit is covered. Now let's move on to cooking. We'll be using a method that not many are familiar with, low-heat cooking. This method is fantastic because it ensures the chicken is cooked evenly, retains its moisture, and most importantly, locks in all those valuable nutrients. Start by heating a pan over a low flame. Once the pan is hot, add some olive oil. Olive oil has a low smoke point, making it perfect for our low-heat cooking method. Once the oil is hot, place the chicken in the pan. Now here's where patience comes in. Cooking on low heat takes a bit longer, but trust me, the results are worth it. You'll want to cook the chicken for about 20 minutes on each side. Remember to turn the chicken every 5 minutes to ensure even cooking. While the chicken is cooking, let's talk about its health benefits. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. It's also low in fat, making it a perfect choice for those who are mindful of their calorie intake. And there you have it. Our chicken is slowly cooking, locking in all the flavors and nutrients. The aroma should be filling your kitchen by now, a sure sign that you're on your way to a delicious, healthy meal. With our chicken slowly cooking, we can now move on to the pasta. While our chicken is simmering, it's the perfect time to get our pasta going. Today, we're opting for whole grain pasta. It's a healthier choice that's high in fiber and can help keep you fuller longer. Also, it's packed with vitamins and minerals that are great for your body. To begin, fill a large pot with water, about 3/4 full. Bring it to a rolling boil. The The trick to perfect pasta is plenty of water and a good amount of salt. This is the only chance you have to season the pasta itself, so be generous with the salt. Next, add your pasta. The key to perfectly cooked pasta is to keep it moving in the early stages of cooking. This helps prevent sticking. So, stir your pasta for the first 2 minutes, then occasionally after that. Now let's talk about cooking times. Whole grain pasta generally takes a little longer to cook than regular pasta. So, check the package for the recommended cooking time. But remember, these are guidelines. The best way to check if your pasta is done is by tasting. You want it to be al dente, which means it should still have a bit of bite to it. Once your pasta is cooked to your liking, drain it but reserve some of the pasta water. This starchy water is a secret weapon in the kitchen. It can be used to loosen sauces and help them adhere to the pasta. Now here's a tip to keep your pasta from clumping together. After draining, toss your pasta in a little bit of olive oil. Not only does this prevent sticking, but it also adds a hint of flavor. One final tip for your pasta: don't rinse it. Rinsing pasta washes away the starchy goodness that helps sauces cling to it, so save the rinsing for your fruits and vegetables, but never for your pasta. With our pasta cooked, it's time to create our flavorful salad. Now let's move on to our salad, which is not only tasty, but nutritionally packed. Creating a salad is like painting a canvas, but instead of paints, we're using vibrant ingredients that not only add color and texture, but also bring a multitude of nutrients to the table. Our salad today is a medley of fresh greens, crunchy vegetables, and a unique tahini marinade. Start by washing your greens thoroughly. We're using a mix of baby spinach and arugula today, both of which are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and are great sources of fiber. Their slightly bitter notes will be beautifully balanced by the sweetness of the cherry tomatoes and the crunchiness of the cucumbers we're adding next. Speaking of cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, they are not just for the crunch and color. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, and cucumbers, being mostly water, are incredibly hydrating and good for your skin. Now let's talk about our star ingredient, tahini. This paste, made from toasted ground-hulled sesame seeds, is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, it's a great source of plant-based protein. Its rich, nutty flavor will add a depth to our salad that will make your taste buds dance. For the tahini marinade, you want to whisk together tahini, a little bit of olive oil, lemon juice, and some crushed garlic. Adjust the flavors as per your liking. This dressing is not only flavorful but also brings its own set of health benefits. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health, while lemon juice adds that much-needed tang and a boost of vitamin C. Pour this luscious tahini dressing over your salad, toss everything together, and voila! You have a salad that's as delightful to the palate as it is beneficial for your health. With our salad ready, it's time to bring all of our components together. We have our chicken, our pasta, and our salad. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Let's start weaving our culinary tapestry with the pasta. This whole grain pasta, packed with fiber, will lay the groundwork for our dish. It's the canvas upon which we'll paint with our other ingredients. The pasta not only adds a comforting, hearty element, but also provides a slow release of energy. So let's get that beautifully cooked pasta on the plate. Next up, we have our star of the show, the chicken. The chicken has been gently cooked to retain all its nutritional goodness. It's a lean source of protein that helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. This isn't just any chicken. It's been cooked in low heat to ensure it's tender and juicy, locking in all the flavors and nutrients. Let's place that succulent piece of chicken right on top of our pasta. Now, let's not forget our vibrant tahini marinated salad. This salad is a rainbow of nutrition, with each color representing different health benefits. The tahini dressing adds an extra layer of flavor and also provides healthy fats that are good for your heart. Let's scatter this splash of color and nutrition around our chicken and pasta, creating a beautiful contrast and an explosion of flavors. Lastly, a sprinkle of freshly chopped herbs will add a touch of freshness and a pop of color. Not only do these herbs elevate the visual appeal of our dish, but they also bring along a bunch of health benefits. Herbs like parsley and basil are packed with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious meal that's easy to prepare. This dish is a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. It's not just about eating healthy, it's about enjoying what you eat. And with this dish, you're sure to enjoy every bite while nourishing your body. This is the power of mindful eating. So go ahead, dig in, and experience the symphony of flavors and health benefits this dish has to offer. Let's quickly recap the key points of our healthy and delicious dish. We started off with a fresh, juicy chicken. seasoned with a blend of heartwarming spices. This chicken was then cooked slowly and lovingly on low heat, ensuring it retained its moisture and flavor without the need for excessive oil or fat. This method of cooking not only enhances the taste but also keeps the nutritional value intact. Next, we moved on to the pasta. Opting for a whole grain variety, we provided a good source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which are essential for energy. We cooked it al dente to preserve its texture and nutritional content. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you cook it. And let's not forget our vibrant tahini marinated salad. Bursting with fresh vegetables, it provided a rainbow of vitamins and minerals. The tahini dressing, rich in healthy fats and protein, added a creamy, nutty flavor, turning our salad into a gourmet delight. Bringing all these elements together, we created a dish that is not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a boon for our health. It's a wonderful example of how a balanced diet can be delicious, satisfying, and good for you. Each ingredient has its role, contributing to a symphony of tastes and a powerhouse of nutrients. Remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is balance. It's about incorporating a variety of foods in the right proportions and cooking them in a way that maximizes their benefits. This dish is a testament to that philosophy. It's not about deprivation, but about celebrating food and its incredible ability to nourish us. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. Remember, healthy doesn't mean boring. Subscribe for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Stay healthy, everyone.